Until you create value for somebody, nobody's ever going to pay you. What we're going to look at is the mousetrap model. This is our ability to go and to come up with an idea, come up with a value proposition and test to see, do people really want that value proposition? What value can you create for others? This is just a step-by-step on exactly how we did it. We targeted the psychographics, what they care about, what they're interested in. And we started the campaign for 5 days, $40. And then we looked at the results. We came back with the data. Just like you would in a regular marketing campaign. All there is that one simple landing page. That's all it is to test the new value proposition. You could test the market before you build any product at all. You can go and get customers lined up to use your product before you've built anything. This is market testing. The data that you collect in that market testing gives you the confidence and conviction to move forward. But it also enables you to do all sorts of other things. Raise money, hire people, etc. We need to stop and make sure that people will use it before we continue building.